Good morning, students. How are you? Hoping you all are well at your home. Now, come to the point. I have sent one study material of your class from first chapter. The chapter name is Computer Network. See, I have written some important notes from this chapter. The first note is Computer Network. In the previous class, you had also this topic, so I don't want to tell you in details about the computer network. I just want to give the brief introductions of computer network. Okay, student, listen. A computer network, do you know what is network? We have the network work in other fields also, like road networks, airways networks. The same way computer, in the field of computer network is there. So in the simple way, computer network is a collection of computers connected to share information and resources with each other. The computers are connected using a communication medium such as cable, telephone, line or satellite. Hope you understood. Okay, the next topic of this chapter, which I have written here, types of network. As you know, there are many types of network, such as PAN, personal area network, which is very personal. It names indicates someone is having own network, that is called personal network. Okay, the next one is LAN, local area network. This is the type of network which we can have in a campus, in an office, in a building. For example, your computer lab is the best example of LAN. Okay, next network is MAN, metropolitan area network. It is a wide area network as compared to LAN. It can cover 10 to 15 kilometers areas. It is basically organized in a city. It can cover a whole city. The best example of MAN is your Kabul city. Okay. The next one is WAN, WAN, wide area network. It is the type of network covers a very large geographical area across a country or a continent. The best example of this network is internet. Hope I am clear to all of you. Some more information I would like to give to all of you. Listen carefully. Important terms related to internet which I have not mentioned in the notes, just I want to give in these sessions through audio. The first one is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Second one is ISP, Internet Service Provider. The third one is IP, Internet Protocol. The next one is DNS, Domain Name System. Okay, these are the important terms used in internet. Hope I am clear to all of you. If you have still confusion or doubts, you can convey your message through audio or text message. In the next page or next session of this chapter, I have given the question answer, which you can see clearly. The first part of this page is answer in short or answer in details. Please note down all these things in your copy and memorize it. because whenever you will having the school, this chapter will again explain. Don't bother about that, but something you have right now for study, so don't waste your time. Nobody can tell you how long this lockdown will go, so use your maximum time in study. Focus on the study materials, not only computer, other subjects, your study materials you are getting every day. Note down all these things and memorizes. If you having any confusion, any doubts, you can ask in your group to the particular subject teacher. Okay, have a good day. Bye.